Hello students, welcome to the online class. This is the second part of the second chapter of the 7th class, plants, structure and function. In the first part we had seen the parts of plants, root, stem, leaf, flower and the fruits. Also, when seed germinates, it has two parts, plumule and the radicle. Now, in this part, we will study about the roots, types of roots, its structure and function. First, what are roots? Roots are the parts of plants which grows under the ground or towards the soil from the stem. Roots are mainly of two types. First, taproot. Second is the fibrous roots. What are taproots? Taproots are the roots which grow deep into the soil, which grow secondary roots which spread far and wide and give support to the plant. And fibrous roots are the roots which are the thread-like or fiber-like. Now, how we can differentiate these taproot and fibrous roots? First, taproot are the thick root which develops secondary roots. Fibrous roots are the thread-like roots or fiber-like roots. These taproot spread far and wide, while fibrous roots do not spread far and wide. Taproot present in dicotyledonous plants, while the fibrous roots are present in the monocotyledonous plants. For example, taproots are present in mango, jamun, while the fibrous roots are present in jowar, maize, etc. What are the dicotyledonous plants? Dicotyledonous plants are the plants in which seed has two parts, two lobes, while the monocotyledonous plant seed has only one part. Seeds are made up of only one lobe. Now we will study about the parts of the taproot. The main parts of this taproot are primary roots, which is the main root, secondary roots, which grows obliquely or diagonally from the primary roots, which give support to the plant. Then the root hairs, hair-like fibers on the root are called the root hairs. Root hairs absorbs the water and nutrients from the soil. Then the root cap-like structure which is present at the root tip is called the root cap. Root cap prevents the roots, the delicate part of the root tip. Then the last part is the root tip. Root tip is covered with the root cap, which protects the delicate root tip. Some other types of the roots are stilt root, prop roots, runners, and the breathing roots. These stilt roots are present in maize, sugarcane. Runners are present in the plants like strawberry. Breathing roots are also called the nematophores. These breathing roots are present in mangrove tree. And last one is the prop roots. Prop roots are present in the banyan tree. Radishes, carrots, beetroot, sweet potatoes are also the roots which are modified for the storage of food, which stores the food and also give support to the plant. Last one is the functions of roots. What are the different functions of roots? Roots absorb salts and water for the plants. Also, these roots give support to the plant.